What's up world? This is my personal review of the Qiewa Q-Power 2 electric scooter. Let's jump right into this. Off-roading features here, trying to see my first week owning the scooter, how the dual motor kicks in. So this is my first real attempt to use my dual motor. Very short distance, 60-yard distance, and I achieved 37 miles per hour. You can see it's shaky, but the acceleration was very strong. Here I am on the street. This is just about double the distance, 120-yard distance. I achieved 45 miles per hour on the dual motor setting. I do want to confirm max speed. I have hit 55 miles per hour on this, but it did take me about, I'd say 200 yards minimum to obtain that type of speed. It did take some time to build up. Here I am about a 35 to 40 degree hill, just testing out the dual motors, how easy it is to ride up the hill, and I will say it is very easy to ride up this hill. Just some fun over here, just trying to try out some of the BMX ramps over here, the dirt ramps. This is the beast. Qiewa, I can't even pronounce it right, but whatever, Qiewa Q-Power 2. So this is the review, but then I want to point out, this really sucks. This is bought off eBay for like 200, 300 bucks. I don't recommend to ever do that to anyone, whether you enjoy riding electric scooters or use it to commute to work. I purchased this to use to be as my, to use to commute to work. This is again for fun for my wife and I. This is an upgrade, because that wasn't cutting it too slow. Eventually, this had its own downfalls, so I upgraded to this and owned it for about a week. No regrets, super happy with it. The price, the value, the power, everything. So let's talk more about the Qiewa Q-Power 2. First, the handles. One major downfall, the washers, not real well thought out on the design. They're plastic, so no matter how tight you squeeze, you screw these screws in, it'll continue getting loose, especially when you're riding at 30, 40 miles an hour. These handles, it won't fully collapse forward or back, but as you can see, it does have a lot of shake. So when you're braking and going and accelerating at 30, 40 miles an hour, this is really a kind of a almost scary thing to be experiencing. But again, because of the design of it though, you won't exactly collapse all the way back, all the way forward. So these little flat washers, M6 metrics I bought at Home Depot, they fit perfectly for these little, to replace little plastic ones. A little $1 for a bag of 4, and then you can replace these and make them super tight. That's my only recommendation for anyone who does purchase this, to upgrade your washers, and that'll fix the solution. That'll fix the issue with the handlebars. So it's just one really only negative thing I can say about this. The overall battery life, the power, the acceleration, everything is great. So we have on-off switch for the headlights, which unfortunately I've had it for only about a week, and upon arrival, the headlights don't actually work at all. So that kind of sucks. So quick update on this. I did reach out to Qiewa via email, and I did receive a response. As you see here, they did advise me to check the loose connections, and then thankfully they do have some videos on YouTube of how to take apart the scooter. Looking at those videos, I figured out how to open up the scooter essentially. You see on the left picture, a wire was somehow cut, I guess upon manufacturing wire was accidentally cut, and it happened to be my scooter. Wasn't a big deal. You see in the right picture. I spliced it, put them together, and what do you know? I got the lights to work. Very simple fix, but I am handy. So just FYI, if you're not handy, this might be a very complex task to take upon yourself. Here we have a little USB charger for your cell phone. I've never used it, but it's nice that they have that. There, over here, there is brake fluid. I'm not sure if I ever need to really refill it. I'm not sure how much is really used when I'm braking, but there's brake fluid because of these ginormous brake calipers over here to make sure you stay safe. There's also LED lights in the front and sides here. Unfortunately, it doesn't work for me, again, with the headlight being off, so that's a little bummer again. One thing that does work, you come back here, the tail lights. There are blinkers, right and left. And the control is up here, back up here on the handles again. Little horn, it is pretty loud. I'm sorry. All right, can you come back over here? Over here, key ignition to help turn the turn the scooter on. Then we have up here, power button. The big screen display, the throttle. It's a very nice throttle. I'm a big fan of these type of finger throttles versus the thumb throttles on the Segway or the Varla Pegasus. There's buttons here down here for eco or turbo mode, and then single or dual motor. And then come down here. Overall, really heavy scooter. So it is kind of tough to unfold it, but actually it's also very easy. So if I were to simply pull this, make sure you get this video. Pull this little lever back. It's a safety lever. So that way I can pull, can you come on this side actually? Yeah, you're on the wrong side. This red knob. And that allows me to really easily and quickly unfold the scooter. Like so. And that way I can just, it's 100 pounds, but pick it up and load it to my car. And then unfolding it, again, very easy, very quick. And then always make sure we get this latch to have the safety mechanism. And then we have the little kickstand, which is very sturdy. Definitely feel safe and supportive on it. If I stand on it, which I don't recommend, but if I do, it can support my weight. So overall, great scooter for the price, can't be beat. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video helps you out. This has been an outstanding scooter experience for me. It was fun riding this, and just fun trying to customize it for my needs. I really do appreciate every aspect of the scooter. I do hope this video helped you out.